In this tutorial, we are going to cover how we go about uploading images through MODX. We're going to cover four things: how you upload an image via a template variable, how you can upload multiple images in a template variable, how you can create a directory on the server where you can put your images to keep things organized, and how to upload images inside of content. So let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to just, in this tutorial, look at a site that we built, and we'll just go to a standard kind of page where we have images. And if we scroll down to the section down here where it says categories, this is in MODX what's called template variables. So if we keep coming down here, we'll notice that there's an image that we have uploaded, and there's this template variable right here with this little image icon. If I click on that, what you'll see is a little modal window that will, or I'm sorry, dialog box that will pop up. And we already have images on the server. And I've got a directory here, and I'm going to go ahead and just delete this so you can see how to quickly create a directory. By the way, there was nothing in there, so nothing was erased. But if I want to add a new directory, you'll see right here this icon. When I hover over it, it says create directory, and I'll click on that. And I'll call this one test. And you'll see now it's in there, it's loaded. If I click on test, I'm now inside the test directory. So if I upload an image, it's going to be put in here. Now when I'm ready to upload my image or images, I come over to this little upload button, I click it, and then I choose, right here it says choose files. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and if I come over to a directory on my computer, I've got an image here. Now, I can either upload this image by itself, or I can use the shift key and hold down and continue to select, as you see here, or I can use my mouse and drag over it, and now I've selected all four. And let me resize this over here. You'll see this little open button, and I'll go ahead and click on that. What it's going to do is it will now put those images in queue, and I hit the upload button, and voila, it uploads them all. And sure enough, here's my images. If I were to click on one of these images, it would load it into the template variable. But for now, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to leave this image as it is. So again, I come back, and here's my images. Now, if I were to say, for example, I want to delete these images, I would just simply right-click on this directory and choose Delete Directory. And that would delete both that folder and those images. Okay, one other thing, sometimes when you're creating content, you want to put an image in the middle of the content. Well, that's easy. Just put your mouse right wherever you want your image to go, and you come over here to this little image icon right here in your toolbar. Click on that. It's going to ask you the image URL, and you click this little box right here, and what's going to happen is it will load up your directory structure that we just looked at a second ago. And remember, we uploaded these images in here, this test directory, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab one of these images. I double-clicked it, and you might want to say, hey, you know what, let's float that a little to the left, put the alignment on the left, and maybe give it a little horizontal padding, like 10 pixels, kind of push it off a little, and I insert it. And it's going to ask, you know, do you want to add some other stuff to it? And I'll just go ahead and put it in for now. Okay, well, it's now added that image in. It's floated it to the left, just as I imagined it would. So what we've covered is the four things: uploading an image via template variables, uploading multiple images, creating a directory, and then uploading images in your resource content right here. Hopefully that makes sense.